how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Today I've got a super helpful tutorial for you. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important chat on Instagram, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Instagram chats. Instagram direct DMs or DMs are where we can chat with friends, family, and colleagues. Sometimes we might accidentally delete important conversations, and you might be wondering if there's a way to get them back. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't offer a built in feature to recover deleted messages, but there are still a couple of ways to potentially retrieve them. First, let's start with something simple, checking your archived chats. Sometimes messages may not actually be deleted but archived. If you've archived a conversation instead of deleting it, you can recover it easily. To see if this is the case, open Instagram app and simply go to your DMs. Now, if you have simply chatted with that person and you can find it over here, you can simply search for that person's name over here and simply tap on their name and you can find the chats. And just to get the chats on archive, what you need to do is simply send them a text and the chat will be unarchived. Now, here's the next method, using Instagram's data download feature. This is where Instagram allows you to download all your data, including messages. Go to your Instagram settings, then tap on your activity. This is where Instagram allows you to download all data, including messages. Next, click on download your data. Click on download or transfer information. Go to some of your information. Now you can simply choose whatever you prefer to download. So since we're downloading messages, simply click on messages and go to next. Now here you can choose whether you want to download this all this information in your device, or you can simply transfer it to certain destination. Choose where and how, or you can simply choose download to device. After that, now all the chats will be downloaded within a minute or within some hours. It usually depends on how much data you have. Now once you get the email, you'll have access to a file that includes all your messages, even the ones you may have deleted. And that's it. This is the best way to simply recover deleted messages in Instagram.